Okay, so now we have to use the break statement. Okay, so break statement is what? Now it is a statement which is used to exit from the loop. মানে अर्थ होचे आमे धर गोटे लूपिंग आमे यूज करछे दैट आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले फ्रॉम 1 to 10. I want to display from 1 to 10, but I have give a condition that after it is executing 5 term माने जेतेबेले नंबर 5 जाय आसीबो सेतेबेले मो स्टेटमेंट को ब्रेक करिवि तो सेठी आमे ब्रेक स्टेटमेंट यूज करछे. The break is used like when you do not want to execute your statement after met the condition. So in that cases we are using break statement. तो एठी आमे यूज कले गोटे for I in 1 2 3 4 5 एटा गोटे लिस्ट पास करा हला. So by using a for loop it is retrieve all the element from the list, but when it is 4 जेतेबेले मोर वैल्यू टा 4 से तो मैच करि जिवो तो at that timing it stop the looping सेठी मोर looping टा stop हे जिवो. So here I use here break statement. एटी मु break statement use कले. So break is a statement which is used to stop your looping when the specified condition has met. बुझला प्रियदर्शिनी, हर्षा, अमित, सोमेश?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I execute this program. There is a simple string I pass here. For value in string, that means mu eta gote string pass kali and now it is retrieve the value. So after it is retrieve the value I, it is stop. Now check here how it is display. So first mate s retrieve kala, tapore t retrieve kala, tapore I जेतबे retrieve करछि when the value is I, when the value is I, so at that cases the looping is stop here. So looping ta mora it is stop हे गला. So it is a break statement that we are using. बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Then another program I will pass here. So here I pass 1 to 6 if value is equals to 3 break. Okay, so see there. First, I in range 1 to 6. I have given here looping, which is printing you from 1 to 6. But when the value is 3, it is stop here. If I pass here 4, then 4 pass करछे, then it is showing you 1, 2, 3, and when it is increment to 4, at that timing the condition is false, then the break statement is appear here. Okay, बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. The next program is continue. Continue means you have to use the skip statement. आम पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को स्किप करियो. Continue. See there, it is printing you string, but when the value is I, so it is skip that element. So a particular I टाको it is skip कला. बुझला? I टाको छाड़ी के आउ जहाँ जहाँ element अच्छे print कला. बुझला? So continue statement is used to skip the particular iteration when the given condition is met. Here,
Yes.
then again, here we use continue. See there, 1 to, I want to print from 1 to 5, but here when the element is 4, at that timing it is skip. Okay, so that element is skip here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Priyadarshini, Amit, Sumesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारा सुमेश तो गुड्डू जो लिखी तुम फुल नेम टा कौन कहला? हेलो. Okay, so next is Then Python pass statement. Pass statement is used, it is break the loop into the two part. The pass statement basically it is a part of statement which is used to convert the flow of looping in a two part. Like here, I pass a list for I in 1 2 3 4 5. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ लिस्ट पास करा हला ए लिस्ट रे से पांचटा एलिमेंट रिट्राइव करिवो बट मु एठी गोटे कंडीशन पास कली दैट व्हेन द वैल्यू इज 3 व्हेन I is equals to 3 it is pass the element means at that timing your looping is divided into two parts. In first part it is showing you 1 and 2. In second part again it is divided, it is showing you 3 4 5. So if you show the result here, if I is equals to 3 then pass, that means it is showing you 1 and 2, pass the value is 3. So when it is 3 the iteration is coming to the next part 3 4 5. So this is called the pass statement. So when you do not want that you don't want to any code to execute and you want to pass the statement into next iteration, in that cases we are using pass statement. So when you do not want any code to execute and pass the statement is used, it is same as refers to just like your break statement. Okay. So if you want to write a note, write a note on the pass. Right. Pass statement is used as a placeholder. It is used to pass the execution of the statement, to pass the execution of the statement to the next iteration. Okay, so now I show the program. देखिला notes टा.
Yes, sir.
Then write the notes for break. Break statement is used. Break statement is used to stop. Break statement is used to stop the execution of remaining looping. Then continue. Continue statement is used to skip the particular to skip the specific iteration when condition has met. Now it is a past statement that we are using.
The double quote से राजन देवी
डबल सिंगल है भाई. लिखिए पड़ेगा. So here I pass for x in colon and write the condition of okay. Invalid character identifier. कॉपी कला बेलू किसी प्रॉब्लम यहाँ हूँ एमती टाइप कोड लिखा हम पास रे मतलब टाइप कर दो फॉर आई इन पाइथन जस्ट ए मिनट I run the file here. Okay, so I write the code manually, then I check. For letter in Python colon. So here I use a looping if let is equals to if your letter value is age then colon then here I pass the statement pass then I print the value under the pass a pass तले ही हमें print करिवा print शो करिवा this is pass block then एठी आ गोटे print करिवा print current letter current letter is comma let ठीक है पास करिवा देखो फास्ट आसला कौन पी वाई टी एटा आसला तापर देख टी पर जोठी हमर एच होची हमर ब्लॉक टा कन्वर्ट हो गला आ गोटे ब्लॉक को एच ओ एन बुझि पाइलो तो हमर लूपिंग टा दीटा वे डिवाइड हो गला बुझेला हर्षा प्रियदर्शिनी अमित
Yes, sir.
सोमेश
Yes, sir.
एटा होचा
Yes, sir.
पास ब्लॉक रो नेक्स्ट some built-in function which is predefined function that we're using in Python. So what are the built-in function are available? One is absolute function. Absolute function is used like absolute minus 45, it gives you 45. Then absolute complex number which is return you the what the 119. And now check here. Yeah, ABS minus 45 9L 110.4, complex number it will not take. Okay, it is a absolute value, and if I pass here absolute minus 45, it gives you 45. Then absolute 100.24, you can name this value. If I pass absolute complex value 199, it will not take complex number, so it's showing you syntax error. Okay, so it is a complex number we are passing 119J. Now it is converted to the absolute value, that is 119.0. So it is an absolute function which is showing you the exact value of a particular integer or string or a complex number. Okay. So write down it. ABS function, it return the absolute value of a number. It return the absolute value of a number. All program I will share you in group.
सर
हाँ कुआ
सर जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर सर दीटा अछि पा सर जे गोटे अछि आ गोटे थरे के निया हबो
आई और जे एदिरा नहीं है एठी हमर जो वर्जन हमें यूज
सर
करियो
आई जे सर आई यस सर
हमें पाइथन नो जो वर्जन यूज करियो वर्जन वाइज रे चेंज हो 2.7 ने सेटा एल नोतला तापर 3.0 रे तारा अपन चेंज हेची सेटा जे हेची तार मु सेटा मल्टीपल वैल्यू नै चेक करली बुझे होची
सर के नेले भी नोनी कि आई नेले भी नोनी
आई डिडंट नो
जे नेले
2.7 वर्जन ने
ना आई नोनी कि
हमर जता 3 वर्जन प्रीवियस जान होबा तो सेठी हमर नबो सेटा मु चेक करथली कोटा कोटा नो बुझेला तापर होची python all method. The all method return the true when all the element in the given iteratable is true. So if all the elements are true, it return you true value. Okay, when all the values are true, it return you true. When all the values are false, it is return you false. When one value is true, other are false, then false. When one value is false and other are false, then false. Empty iteratable is true. Which one is the empty? Then it is showing you true. ମାନେ ଯଦି ସବୁ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଟ୍ରୁ ରହିବ ତାହେଲେ ଟ୍ରୁ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ସବୁ ଫଲ୍ସ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରୁ ହେଲା ଦେନ୍ ଫଲ୍ସ ହେବ ମାନେ ଅଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଚେକ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଜ୍ ଆର୍ ଟ୍ରୁ so all values are true like a is equals to 1 3 4 5 so these are all the integer value and valid value so it is showing you true here we are using print l 0 and false so here both are false 0 means it is also considered as a false 0 false is false 1 3 4 0 so 0 here it is false then false then 0 false 5 0 false 5 means all are false one is true then false empty iteratable माने किसी एलिमेंट पास करा जाए नहीं तो ये जगह हमरा ट्रू पास करा होला बुझेला हर्षा, प्रियदर्शिनी,
Yes.
अमित,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
सब जाक एटा हमको ट्रू रिटर्न करिवो को केस रे ना जेते बेले ऑल द वैल्यूज हमर ट्रू हबो से समय हमको ट्रू रिटर्न करिवो और एल्स अन्य केसेस रे हमको फॉल्स दिखेबो। ओके सो एठी देखो दिस इज गुड एटा गोटे स्ट्रिंग पास कराला तेनो एटा ट्रू दिखेला। जदि मु जीरो टा को भी खाली जदि लिखिबी s equals to 0 print all s तो ये मतलब फॉल्स आसीबो। डायरेक्ट इंटीजर नोन एटा में सपोज मैं लिस्ट नहीं यूज एटा आसला फॉल्स। जदि मु आको स्ट्रिंग रे पास करिवि देन एठी आसीबो ट्रू। बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके एटा होची जते बडे हमें खाली जीरो पास करिवा जीरो पास करिवे दैट मींस इट इज फॉल्स सॉरी लिस्ट भितर खाली जदि जीरो पास करा हबो एटा फॉल्स किंतु आज ए स्ट्रिंग जदि पास करिवे स्ट्रिंग मींस इट इज ए एलिमेंट तो एठी हमरा ट्रू देखेबो। बुझियला?
हाँ